Joe Beermaster, we have a key fob here for a 17 Chevy Sonic, and this goes for multiple years and multiple models of Chevy, not just the Sonic. So if your key fob looks like this, I'm going to show you how to change the battery, the internal battery when it goes dead. You're not going to be able to get in your car, so you're going to have to use the hidden key in here, the valet key. So see this little silver button here. You want to press that with your thumb, slide it out. And you can get in the car that way, but to open this up, you can see this is two pieces. See the little seam there? Right along there's a seam. Now you can see this little hole where I took the key out. I stick the key in a little bit, or you can use a screwdriver and bend it up. Kind of give it a little twist. It's not very easy to do, but I did it. It's starting to separate. You can see that. Give it a little more. And separate it. Now you want to be very careful nothing falls out. So there's your battery right here. You want to take that battery out. It's got sort of a little spring on one end. You can use a little sharp object to work it out. And there you go. You go to your local pharmacy or hardware store, they will have this. This is a 2032. And you get the new one, you put it back in, positive side down. It is marked positive. Slide it back in. And this is real simple. You kind of want to leave that on the downside because you don't want anything falling out. Close it back up. Some of these fobs, the internals want to fall apart on them, so you got to be careful. This one's pretty good. Gonna line everything back up nice. Click it all together. This one's a little tough. Just make sure it's lined up, then click it together. Put your valet key back in. Boom. Now she's ready to rock and roll with the new battery. So if your fob looks like this, it's for multiple models of a Chevy, GM. This is how you do it. Joe Beermaster. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.